Hello great learners, hope you are doing good. So in this quick tutorial I'll show you how you can do Fiverr affiliates, right? So this is my dashboard. You can see this is the earning actually, and it is asking me to request the payment. So what you need to do basically, in these marketing tools you have to come default and deep links. Okay, so here is CPA and hybrid option. And Fiverr business, mainly these three I promoted. CPA is one-time payment, hybrid is recurring, and business is Fiverr business. Whoever will join, you will get that Fiverr business bonus. Okay, and hybrid is recurring, and CPA is one-time payment. Okay, and all these options for only for the first-time buyer. So please keep it in mind. If they are already registered with Fiverr, you will not get any kind of commission. Okay, so this is very important point. So now the next point is how I promoted it. Okay, so I'll show you how I did exactly. Okay, so please wait. Yeah, so and this is my website actually. I mainly promoted on my websites. Okay, yeah, so this is my website. As you can see this, correct? So you can see I promoted over here, that right hand side one banner I inserted, then Fiverr business video I inserted with my link, and this is one more service I am just inserted on this sidebar. Okay, this is also one more, this is related to Fiverr video services. Okay, and this is for architecture design, right? And inside my post also, in some of my post I inserted, yeah, as you can see in this I inserted that business. Okay, Fiverr business. So how I did, basically I used this option over here. Yeah, over here you will find the option called widget. Okay, gigs ad widget. Once you will come over here, okay, gig ads widget, you need to search any kind of related services. Okay, suppose this is actually some of the services related to logo design it is showing. Okay, if you want this, you will just simply click on embed code. Okay, then you will copy this code and you will paste it in your website under HTML. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, don't worry. Suppose you need some kind of specific services you want to promote. Okay, then what you need to do, you come to this pick a specific gig, you click over here, and gig link you have to paste. Okay, let's say there is one gig I want to promote. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come over to this Fiverr only. Okay, fiverr.com. Okay, so I'll simply click over here. Suppose video editing. Okay, so I'll get many services. Yeah, these are the services, and if I click on full catalog, yeah, so the layout will change. Let's say I want to promote Kylin. Okay, Kylin services. So I'll simply right click over here and then copy link address. Okay, once I click copy link address, I'll come to gig widget and I'll just simply paste the gig link. Okay, and if I press enter, then you will see that Kylin particular video editing service gig has come. Okay, then I'll click over embed code and I'll copy it over here. Okay, and I'll come to my website dashboard and I'll paste it under HTML sidebar. Okay, so that much only you need to do. Okay, and still if you have a doubt or any queries, please comment me. I'll make a separate video how you can add on WordPress site. Okay, so this is for specific. Now if you want to go by category, okay, then what you need to do, it is all are showing logo design, right? So you will simply click on video animation, and whatever like the gig you want, For example, I have selected video animation under video editing. Okay, then if I click apply, then you will see the services will change. So all are related to long video. Then any person I'll remove from no video. Then this is also video edit, right? Then I'll edit Twitch video for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So these are the services you can use. Okay, now if you want to use like only the link, okay, in your website text as anchor link, then what you need to do, you will come to this default and take link option, and if you want to get recurring commission, okay, then you will simply click on LP URL, and the same URL you will paste it over here, and once I enter, you will see this link will be increased. So you can see I get my unique affiliate link for that particular service. Okay, so in this case you will copy this and you will put this link in your YouTube video description or else in your website text. Okay, so if you want a complete video, okay, so please comment me, definitely I'll make a separate video on this. Okay, so that it will help you. Okay, it will help you to understand this better, right? So these are the things were important for me, and I shared, and I hope you understood this concept. Okay, so thank you so much, and you can definitely sort in this. Okay, this URL you can sort in this using Bitly, or else a tiny URL is also there. These are the options you can use, and how you can. So first of all, you have to join this program. Okay, and for that I'll put that Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, you can simply check it in the description section. Okay, I'll put the link in the description, so you can check it out, so you'll have a complete understanding on this. Okay, so hope you understood this. Okay, thank you so much and take care.